Hello, good day my sub community. Today I am going to be pressing mouse pads. So this is how you get them. They're white, black rubberized on the back. So I'm going to talk more about them, but I want to get to pressing. So while it's pressing, I'm going to talk about some types that you can get. So as always, I have my substrate and my print. So normally you would rip the edges so you don't get a press mark, but because of what this is, I actually went and I'm doing a full coverage on the whole thing. I made my design a little bit bigger than my mouse pad, so I didn't have to worry about that and I just cut it. These are made of neoprene. Neoprene gathers dust like crazy, even if you don't see it. So, first step is to lint roll. Okay? They also hold a lot of moisture. So we're going to pre-press just for a couple of seconds. Just to get the moisture out, because if there's any moisture in your substrate, your print will not press properly. Okay, so I'm ready to go. The way that let me let it cool for a minute. So with neoprene takes, these are made of neoprene. It takes ink really, really well, like super well. And what I don't like doing is using the spray. It works for some people. I just don't have good luck with it. So I tape everything. Let's turn this the right way. Place my image. It's about where I want it. I'm not going to be super crazy on this. It's basically a rectangle. And I am going to tape this down with my heat tape to avoid any ghosting, because neoprene does have the tendency to ghost very easily. So either use your spray adhesive or heat tape, whatever you prefer, but definitely adhere it. And I'm actually choosing to do this with you on camera because I rarely do. So, in case anybody had any questions about taping down, this is how you do it. Okay. Okay, so metal, you would always put the substrate on top, but because this is neoprene, we're going to flip it over very carefully. And don't forget your blowout paper, and I'm using parchment. And I will be pressing this at 395 for 55 seconds, because as you know, my heat press runs a little hot, but if you're doing it at home, especially for the first time and you don't know what your press is at, start at 400 at 60 seconds, and I'm doing this medium to firm pressure. Okay, so while that's going, I wanted to show you the difference. So this is one that I recently did. Well, not recently, I've been using it. You can see it's all messy, just from use. Well, it's actually probably something dirty my kid got on it. But this was white. It's gorgeous. This, I bought a couple, maybe a year ago off Amazon. I wouldn't say it is as vibrantly black as the one that I made. I also wanted to show you the difference in width. I don't know if you could see it on the camera. Oh, I don't know if I can do it without dropping it. So the one from Amazon, super thin. The one, I think I got this at Single J's, thick, totally different. And the texture is different. It's just different, and it's thick, and it feels like a better quality. And so we're at 8 seconds. And also, this is the first time that I'm using text print paper to do these. I've always used A-Sub. So I don't know if you could see it on the camera. A little steam just came up. That means I didn't pre-press it for long enough. There was still a little moisture in there. And gorgeous. So first I'm going to show you how much ink came off of this. This was a bright blue. And I'm just going to, oh, that's hot. Can you see that? Of course, it's backwards now on, whoo. Look at that. That came out magnificent. I'm really happy with this. So I would love to know what you guys think and if you have done mouse pads, and I would love to see them. I absolutely love working with neoprene, and I highly recommend mouse pads. All right, have fun, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because in theory, I will be posting a lot of videos within the next 2 weeks because we are self-quarantining. But I found it a little bit more difficult with the children at home. So I will do what I can. But I hope to hear your comments, read your comments, and see your projects. All right. Have a great day, and everybody be safe.